In this video, we'll show you how to fix something went wrong with this game or app on PS5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First and the simplest step is just to restart your console. Press the PlayStation button, go to the power icon and select Restart PS5. If a restart doesn't work, check for a system update. Go to Settings, System, then System Software, and choose System Software Update and Settings, and then go ahead and update your system. Next, check the game itself. From your home screen, highlight the game and then press the Options button and select Check for Update. Alright, if the problem still persists, the next step is to restore them. Go to Settings again and then Users and Account and select the other tab. Choose Restore Licenses and checklist your games or apps, then click the Restore button. This will quickly resync your game licenses. If you're still having issues, turn your PS5 off completely and then press and hold the power button until you hear the second beep. Connect your controller with USB cable, and from the Save Mode menu, select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Choose Clear System Software Cache. It'll restart your PS5. Now if the error is still there, go back to the Save Mode and this time select Rebuild Database.